I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate planning lawyer, and many of the videos that I produce are to answer questions and to give some context to real life situations and things that I've heard about over the years. We all know that preparing an estate plan can be important, but for many of us, it's not urgent because we never want to look to the day that we are either going to become sick, incompetent, or pass away. So here is another story. A spouse thought that everything was okay. A spouse had a home in his or her name. The spouse never put or acknowledged and done a will, and so the spouse that was left was not named in any will. The person ends up passing away, and now there are multiple children. The couple had some children together, and then the decedent also had some children outside of the marriage with the surviving spouse. So now, because there was no will, the surviving spouse is going to have to split the proceeds with the children because it has to go under our intestate succession statute. And that was not what the person who passed away wanted because of discussions that he or she had with the surviving spouse. So now this person thought that they were going to leave their surviving spouse a home in which to live for the rest of their lives, or sell and move to someplace else, and the surviving spouse cannot do so. The surviving spouse is going to have to liquidate the property and then split the proceeds with the children. You know, you'd like to say the children are going to go ahead and say and consent that the spouse live in the home, but if all 4 or 5 children do not consent, the house will have to be sold and the surviving spouse will have no place to live. And this is because the person who passed away understood that having estate planning documents were important, but didn't see the urgency and ended up passing away. If you have any questions about a Northwest Indiana estate planning matter, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.